Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. We're going to look at crypto and Visa. We're going to pay with crypto. And we're going to talk about the IRS 1040 crypto question. So we have a great show prepared for you. Hang on, here we go. Can we get 99 likes on this video? Smash that like button. It helps us a lot. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. So, crypto goes plastic. Coinbase's Visa-approved solution suggests significant growth. Now, on February 19th, Coinbase announced that it has become a principal member of Visa in an apparent first for the cryptocurrency industry. The firm is now able to issue debit cards without having to involve third parties. Prior to that, Coinbase had been releasing its physical cards in collaboration with authorized intermediaries, similarly to dozens of other crypto companies that offer such options to their clients. While Coinbase didn't share its strategy technically, the new status grants it the possibility to issue cards to fellow cryptocurrency firms. In any case, this development marks an important milestone for the crypto payment sector. So, if you're not familiar with Coinbase, Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. And so you can connect Coinbase up to your bank account. You can transfer cash directly into your Coinbase account. And then using that cash, you can purchase cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of I think it's about 19 or 20 different cryptocurrencies that Coinbase offers on their platform. So crypto cards are also leverage the existing Visa MasterCard infrastructure widely used across the world, thereby enabling its holders to pay in crypto for any product or services that can be purchased via a cashless payment, either in-store or online. To achieve that, crypto card issuing companies either convert digital assets seamlessly for each payment, debit card, or enable the user to transfer them into a dedicated fiat account, which can in turn be used for day-to-day purchases, like a prepaid cash card. And so this new development with Coinbase is unusual, and it's going to help the cryptocurrency industry because people will be able to use crypto directly with a Visa credit card. So quite interesting. So the next thing that we were going to talk about is where can you spend your Bitcoin in 2020? And so this graph here shows a lot of different stores by different categories, from jewelry and watches, automotive, movies, movie industry and theaters, charity, service intermediaries, clothing and handbags, food and beverages, online media and marketing, banking and payment services, online shops, software and hardware, gaming, gambling, hosting, cloud services, travel. All of these different companies let you spend cryptocurrency directly on their platforms or directly in their stores. And so you can take your cryptocurrency and purchase things directly, like bling, services, food and drink, etc., etc. And so, there's been a lot of conversation that one of the most important use cases for cryptocurrency is being able to spend it for cash. And so here we have all of these different companies right now in 2020 that will accept cryptocurrency as a direct form of payment. You don't need the Visa credit card we just talked about. All you needed is Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of the other cryptos that particular company is accepting. So the IRS Crypto Tax Question, be careful how you answer it. When you file your taxes this year, the Internal Revenue Service will ask you a simple question. At any time during 2019, did you receive, sell, send, exchange, or otherwise acquire any financial interest in virtual currency? It's pretty simple, just yes or no, right? Given the IRS's track record with offshore bank accounts, it could even mean big penalties or even jail if you don't answer that question correctly. And a big part of the problem with that is the fact that when you answer that question, well, they kind of get into it here. This is the question, the question could even set you up as committing perjury for checking the wrong box. Thus, if a taxpayer answers no and then is discovered that you have engaged in transactions with cryptocurrency during the year, the fact that they explicitly answered no to this new question under penalties of perjury, because when you sign your tax form, you're doing so under the penalty of perjury, that could be used against the individual. So if you did any of the things listed, you check yes, right? And then they go on to talk a little bit about it. If this makes you realize that you forgot to report your crypto gains in the past years, consider amending to fix it. Don't wait for the IRS to find you. Even if you did not get one of those 10,000 IRS crypto warning letters last year, just remember the IRS is quite interested in crypto and is taking steps to unearth those who do not report it. Last year's IRS letters were sent to 10,000 crypto taxpayers were just the start. And so the IRS is beginning to get more and more serious. This is the 2019 Form 1040 Schedule 1. And here's the question right at the very beginning. And it has a yes and a no checkbox. So you want to be sure to answer that question and answer it truthfully. If you have any questions about that, we have a video or questions about how to harvest your cryptocurrency trades and cryptocurrency deals. We have created a video. You can see it right here. It's called the Cryptocurrency News Special Report, software to help you prepare your U.S. crypto taxes for 2019. This is the starting of that video. And if you have not done anything to help you prepare your cryptocurrency taxes for 2019, if you need any kind of software that's going to go out and capture all of that data for you instead of you trying to do it manually, because I'll tell you, it's almost impossible. It's crazy difficult to try and capture that stuff manually. But if you choose to do that, I wish you good luck. I used a particular software package called ZenLedger, and I created a special video on ZenLedger. The link to that video is in the description on the YouTube channel below. You do need to click the link to go directly to my YouTube channel and then look at the description for this video, and you'll find the link to this video so that you can learn more about that software package that I used, not only for 2019, but I also used it for 2018. So in the meantime, how can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions about the software I used or any questions in general about cryptocurrency? Please leave it in the comments below. Hey, if you disagree with anything I said, I would still love to hear from you. You know things I don't know. I know things you don't know. And when we share what we know, we will grow smarter together. And I'd like to grow smarter together with you. So like, subscribe, and hodl, and I hope that you have a fantastic